Hello everyone, this is Nimrit and I'm here to speak about the panic around the coronavirus again because it's बहुत ही बढ़ चुका है अब ये panic because the lockdown has been long enough for a very long time and every day uncertain लग रहा है ये नहीं पता कि कब तक ये फैलेगा ये चले जाएगा ये रहेगा कितने महीने कितना टाइम कितने लोगों को इफेक्ट होगा so there are a couple of things that have come up with this. नंबर वन पैनिक है कि मुझे कोरोना वायरस ना हो एम आई गोइंग टू एग्जिस्ट विल इफ आई गेट इट विल आई डाई सो इट्स अ वायरस and if your immunity is good it'll just come and go and you'll recover, it'll be fine. Those who are older, we've already got the statistics of how it's functioning and spreading, and some way or the other, because your amygdala is working at a very frenzied pace right now because you feel threatened, it's not uh, it's not going to be easy to sustain it. हम हर टाइम एंग्जाइटी और पैनिक में नहीं रह सकते, हमारी बॉडी उसको सस्टेन नहीं कर सकती. इट्स देयर फॉर अ शॉर्ट टाइम पीरियड. था बहुत पहले आया था जब हमें थ्रेट होता था व्हेन वी वर आउट इन द जंगल एंड वी नीडेड टू प्रोटेक्ट आवरसेल्व्स फ्रॉम सर्वाइवल. द amygdala would come in and tell us like, okay, right now you can jump, just run up, climb up the tree to save yourself from the lion or whatever, that it was required for a purpose. Even now, if you're going to be in a life-threatening situation, your amygdala will tell you what to do. But that is for a short period of time because at that time, हम reason नहीं करते. So if you are going to be in a panic mode, which is when your amygdala is functioning at a very high level, your cortisol levels are very high, your inflammation is going to go up, uh, your blood pressure is going to go up because your heart rate quickens. So these are not okay for a prolonged time. Your body will not be able to sustain it. The adrenal pumping constantly is not sustainable. You're going to fall sick, your immunity will come low, which anyway is not going to work for fighting any disease, any virus, anything that comes up. So somewhere, and you will have to learn to think rationally. So take the precautions that you need to take and do not be reading so much of news. You just cannot afford to do that. You cannot be listening to every update because it's insane. Everybody's got a version right now. You don't even know how your body is going to take what, because each one's body is so unique. How it's going to how a virus mutates in yours, even if you do get it. So I think work on your mind more of saying that, okay, this is enough, this is how much I can take, and that's it. And if there's a crisis around finances and around, well, will I get out? Well, eventually, yes, you will. So relax on that. In the meanwhile, you'll have to think of the various other things you can do while you're at home. And also, if it is a crisis of existence and if it is a crisis of survival, एक चीज़ है कि ये तो सोल ने डिसाइड किया है कि till what time you're here on the planet. So who knows how anybody is going to die or not die, and suddenly if that is an issue, then how are you making your today count? It's important for you to live today so that you can have a great death whenever it comes. How can you be in fear of an unprecedented time which is going to come in the future and not live today and be in that anxiety and fear? So that also does not sort of work out in the long run. For some time it's acceptable, but beyond a time you have to get a little reasonable. So yes, like I said, please do not read too much of news or watch too much of television. It's just not possible. And secondly, please do take some care for yourself. Start reading something interesting that you come across. See various gifts and talents that you have. Breath work, like I've said all the time, please do that, because your soul only listens to you when you're not anxious, when you're not panicking. Your soul will talk then. So from a soul and a spiritual perspective, and these crises bring you to that question, that who are you? What are you here to do? So these are the questions that you need to explore and get into, rather than just saying, oh, I'm going to now just be in this paranoid state and panic about it, because crises will come and go. and you have to shape yourself out better in the future, right? So please take care of a few things. This is your time to go in and ask yourself some certain nice things. Go into a little bit of meditation, or do a bit of mantras, do your yoga, which is important, or any form of exercise to get your endorphins working. Do things that will make you happy to balance the panic. And since we're all in it together, let's all visualize and create a scene that yes, we will overcome this, right? So thank you, and just stay happy.